Okay, Internet. I've heard a lot of complaints about Windows 8, and I recently upgraded my computer from Windows 7 to Windows 8. It's a big desktop machine, and I've heard, various criticisms like, oh, the desktop experience sucks now with Windows 8, yada yada yada. The Metro UI is terrible, they're killing the desktop experience. And you know what? I actually like most of the changes. I'm on Windows 8.1. I think it's pretty good. But there is one thing that is absolutely driving me crazy. And so I figured I needed to get it out here on the internet, see if I'm the only person. I scanned high and low all over the internet looking for somebody else who agrees with me on this. Couldn't find it. So I'm just putting this out there. I staged a quick demo just to show you what I'm doing on Windows 8 and what I used to be able to do in Windows 7. So let me jump into it. So I've got a folder structure here with a couple of different pictures, and this is very typical of like how I organize my files. Is they'll be at multiple directories and they'll be at multiple levels within a given directory. So here is my favorite meme on the internet. And then we've also got a JPEG hidden somewhere, inside one of these folders. So let's flip over to Windows 7. We got pretty much the same, same setup here. And so what I'll go ahead and do is search for type equals JPEG, and it's going to pull up, this meme that I know and love, and it's going to pull up the other one that was hidden in the directory structure. Now what I want to do is just add a tag to both of these. I want to call them both meme. So select both of them, go down to the details pane, and I can add meme and save. Sweet. Now, if I back out, now I can just search for a meme, and it pulls up both of these. And then this one is obviously coming up based on the tag because it's not in the file name. Sweet, that's exactly what I would expect. Or, let's say I've got Excel worksheets, I've got all of these different I've got these two folders here. Both of these have Excel worksheets in them. And let's say that they're all supposed to be budget. So I pull up type, Excel, and then, I want to tag all of these as budget. Okay. And then I save. Now all of these are budget. And now I can, again, search for budget. This is very typical of how I organize my file system. Say that you want photos bucketed by time in the folders, and then you want to tag everything as like elementary school or like, Josh's recital or something, whatever. Just come up with like arbitrary use case. Okay. This is what you know and what you expect from Windows 7. Plain vanilla functionality, very simple and straightforward. In Windows 8, they took away the ability to make those like stateful changes to file attributes from the search. Okay, so now similarly, if I search type, because this is the same setup, equals JPEG, comes up with our two files, the Awesome What meme and Antoine Dodson, and now I want to tag both of these meme. Wait a minute. The details pane used to allow me to edit that when file types were the same. Okay, well maybe I'm just missing something. Maybe they added it to the ribbon. Okay, maybe I go to properties. Oh my god, okay. I can't change it in here either. Okay, where should I go then? There's nowhere to go. Trust me, I've looked high and low. There is no place where this feature exists anymore. So basically, they took away the ability to recursively scan through subdirectories, pull up files of a particular type, and operate on them. You can't even do a lot of stuff. Hold on, so let's search for type. Type equals Excel. We're pulling up all of our worksheets. And, can't change the tags here. Can't do it. Okay, Microsoft, what am I supposed to do now? See, of all the criticisms of the Metro UI and other things like that, perfectly valid, but this is a major change too, and I haven't seen it get any attention. So, hey Microsoft, please fix this.